And I've heard all manner of stories about how the CK Square came to be.
Yes.
But your name is the one constant thing that you came here and rearranged everything.
I totally changed the place.
What was supposed to be
there
here?
Was a big valley. There was cars passing underneath there.
Yes.
2 floors down.
Yes.
Vehicles were to pass.
Yes.
Then this was a steep drop to those cars.
Okay.
If you want to come in front,
yes,
you have to go down. There.
So you'd be dropped by the car, then you go up, or you'd be coming from the shopping mall, you go down.
I decided,
yes,
bring the space to the people, let people enjoy it. So I kind of created this, and my colleagues named it after me, and I thank them for it. Yes.
You were just doing your job.
I was just doing my regular job.
Yes. And now you're being remembered with let's go to CK Square. I would love to sit
around there.
Around there. Then
yes, you're right. You're right.
As you can see, there are so many people who are coming here on a Friday, weekday, enjoying themselves.
This glass here.
Yes.
It is glass that I have in my house.
Yes.
On some of the corners.
Yes.
And I brought the guy who was doing it for me out there.
Yes.
To this place.
Yes.
And
you want to sit here or sit?
Yeah, we can sit. We can sit down here. Hook. 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 Yeah. And I brought this guy down here.
Yes.
He's a German. And they created it at night. This place is beautiful. At night, this place is very. So
it lights.
It lights underneath.
Underneath and lights the whole place.
It's beautiful.